Okay, so this is an example of using bus selector and bus creator. I named it wrong here, but yeah, let's get started. Can have a constant. So this is an example of making a coffee machine or a state of a coffee machine that I just made up. I'll set this one to 1, set this to 3, just to distinguish. And then I'll create a subsystem with import and output. So right here I'll double click here because I have two state. So now I should connect this one with this input port, and then the output port I'll name is a boiling state, and then the other one is dripping state. And I just make it up because the coffee machine should boil water and also drip hot water down to the filter. And then here I'll just create a bus creator. So bus creator here, so basically gonna take these two signal and create a bus type in Matlab. So we're gonna turn it, output it to a go to tag. So basically, and then we're gonna name it coffee machine state. Alright, so now we have coffee machine state, and we want to see what signal we have, and we also want to use the bus selector. So let's see, let's use from tag, and then we select coffee machine state, and then we gonna, let's see if we don't use the bus selector, what we get, and if we use bus selector, and how different is it. So bus selector here, right, and there you go. And for bus selector, we're gonna delete these two signal and select these two. Add to output, apply, and okay. So now we're gonna just copy the scope and see what we got. Okay, so we see that it's gonna separate into two buses. So this is the state, boiling state and dripping state. Okay, and let's run and check the scope. Okay, so if we check the scope here, we see number 3 and 1, which match with what we have here. And what about legend? So yeah, the legend also show the state of the bus. And what about here? Okay, and it showed the same thing, but right here is separate two bus or just two channel. If you want to use this channel for another block, then you can just it's just like a filter, and that's it for bus creator and bus selector.